Welcome back to our channel, health enthusiasts. If you've ever experienced discomfort or swelling in your legs, you know how important good blood circulation is. Today, we're diving into the top 6 foods that can help enhance blood flow in your legs and keep you feeling fantastic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. Let's get started. 1. Dark leafy greens. Kicking off our list are dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are packed with nutrients like vitamin C and K, which play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels and promoting circulation. The nitrates found in these veggies can help dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to the legs. Incorporating a hearty spinach salad or a kale smoothie into your daily routine can make a significant difference. 2. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins. These powerful compounds help reduce inflammation and enhance blood flow by relaxing blood vessels and promoting healthy endothelial function. Snack on a handful of berries, add them to your morning yogurt, or blend them into a refreshing smoothie for a tasty way to boost leg circulation. 3. Fatty fish. Our next contender is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that have anti-inflammatory properties and encourage blood vessel dilation. Omega-3s also help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of blood clots, further improving circulation. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to reap these fantastic benefits. 4. Citrus fruits. Moving on, we have citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. These fruits are bursting with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen production, a protein that maintains the elasticity of blood vessels. Vitamin C also strengthens capillary walls, supporting efficient blood flow throughout your legs. Enjoy a fresh glass of orange juice or add a squeeze of lemon to your water for a zesty boost to your circulatory health. 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are treasure troves of nutrients that promote blood flow. These foods are excellent sources of vitamin E, which enhances blood vessel function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, the fiber and healthy fats in nuts and seeds support heart health and overall circulation. Incorporate them into your daily snacks or sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal. 6. Garlic. Last but not least, we have the mighty garlic. This pungent bulb is a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps widen blood vessels, leading to improved blood circulation. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which not only supports healthy blood vessels but also aids in reducing blood pressure. Adding fresh garlic to your savory dishes or taking garlic supplements can help keep your leg circulation in check. And there you have it, folks, our top 6 foods to boost blood flow in your legs. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these nutrient-packed options can significantly contribute to your overall leg health and keep discomfort at bay. As always, it's essential to maintain an active lifestyle, stay hydrated, and consult your healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay active.